What is double opt-in in email? So this video is something about double opt-in, right? So you must have seen when you visit to a page. In that time they provide you the information. Once you go for the information, you have to submit your email. Once you submit the email, in that time they will tell you about that you need to verify this particular email by going to your email account and by watching the stuff that we already sent the message to you in the email. We already emailed you. You have to go and you have to click the link over there to activate your email, right? So this is the way you can do the double opt-in in your email marketing campaign or maybe in your list, right? So why you need to do that, why it is very important? Because you must have seen some people have lakhs of people in the email. Let's take an example. They have 10,000 people in the email, right? But their active email list is only 500 people. When it comes to buying the product and services, hardly 100 people will buy the stuff from them. So why it is happening? Because when they created the marketing campaign, in that time they are not using the double opt-in kind of a system. Why they need to do that? So that they have the quality emails, right? It is not about how many email list members you have. It is about how much percentage you are able to sell to them, right? So let's take an example. If you have 100 people also in your email marketing list, if you are able to sell to 10%, maybe 10 people, so in that time email marketing strategy is working, right? So that's the kind of a email marketing plan you should have. For that double opt-in kind of a system is good. Why you wanting to have that? So that you can able to sell to so many people. It is not about one day game, right? It's a long term game, right? Email marketing is like a marathon. 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, 10 years down the line, you can see, okay, these are all my customers who wanting to know about this particular information about the product. How can I provide the information to them if I don't have the social media? That's the only way you can do that, right? So that's why you need to focus on double opt-in system. One single opt-in system is good actually, when people straight away go and they will enter the stuff in your landing page, their email. That's a good. But sometimes what people do, they enter their friend's email and they don't need to verify that particular thing. And once they are doing that, all his friends is getting the emails from your side. They don't recognize you, and that's the reason they put you in the spam, which you don't want to have it when it comes to email marketing services which you are providing, right? So that's why you need to verify the emails of them. That's why double opt-in system, I think it's a great to have in order to become a great email marketer. If you wanting to know about email marketing, you can message me in Instagram. If you want someone to write your email copy and sales copy, you can definitely message to me because I am the copywriter. I can do that particular stuff for you. You don't need to be worried about it. If you are selling something online, I can definitely help you. Thank you so much for watching this particular kind of videos, right? Thank you.